Hey there, my name is Jack. Welcome to this DIY video. In this video, I'll be showing you the secrets of how to change a door handle. Now, for this DIY task, I'll just go through the tools that you'll need. You'll need, of course, a Phillips head screwdriver. You may or may not need some chisels, a hammer, depending on if you're lucky or not. Of course, you also need the door handle itself, and this isn't required, but it's also handy to have a drill. And you also need some piece of cardboard. I'll explain why you need this in a moment. Scissors to open up the packaging. Now, when it comes to door handles, there's actually three main types. You've got a passage doorway handle. Passage doorway handle doesn't have any locks on it. It's just basically used for people to pass through from one area to another. And there's no locking, it's just turn and go. Then the next two types, they actually have locks. You've got a privacy lock. Privacy lock can be locked, and it can be easily unlocked by using a screwdriver. So turning a screwdriver on the top, you can unlock it. Then the third type is also lockable, and it's called a entrance lock door handle. With an entrance lock, it comes with a set of keys, and only using the keys can you unlock the lock. So in this video, I'll be changing the old door handle with a new one with a privacy lock, because this is a bathroom. Privacy locks are mainly used for bathrooms and toilets. It can also be used for guest rooms and places that you don't really want to use a key to unlock. The reason why we need to swap out the door handle is this is a bit of a weird one. You've got a privacy lock at the back, but at the front, someone's mixed it up and there's actually no way to unlock this door. So if someone were to, like, maybe a child or someone just made a mistake, if they engage the lock and lock the door behind them, there'll be absolutely no way to unlock it. And that's why we need to change the lock. Okay, so first of all, we're going to remove the old door handle, then we're going to install the new door handle. The first step you should do is just pop out the back of this door handle. What you should find is there'll be a gap here, and what you do is use a flathead screwdriver. We're going to poke that inside the hole and just pop it out. As simple as that. And you should also find that on the door handle itself, there's this hole. So inside the door handle package itself, you will find a piece of metal. Now this is what's used to poke and remove the old door handle. All we're going to do is poke the hole in the weak source. You should feel that it clicks in, and just pull on this like that. So the old door handle should come right off. Now exposing two screws. Now, using your screwdriver or a drill, we're going to undo those. Like so. removing the old door handle like that. Now we're going to remove the latch. There will be 2 screws on the latch and we're going to undo those. Now with the screws undone, we can just simply remove that. Now it's time to install the new latch as well as the door handle. In the packaging, you'll also be provided with 4 screws. The 4 screws are 2 for the latch and also 2 for the strike plate. So you can see, just using the existing hole, we can fit in the latch. Now with the latch, the smooth side should always be facing towards the opening, and that's what hits the strike plate first. So don't install it like that, but like this. So we just plug this one in. We're going to fit in this latch, but you can see the current opening is actually just a little bit tight for the new one to fit through. You could try jamming it in. The other way is you might need a hammer and chisel and just chisel out a bit of the door, but don't take off too much. With the latch, it's just slightly too big for the current hole. Just have to chisel off a bit of wood. Just going to take off very little bit. Like so. So now with that chisel, you should be able to easily fit in the latch. Like so. So we're gonna screw in the latch. Like so. Make sure it's flush. With the door handle, comes like this. We should first undo these 2. Now, of course, we put the one that has a lock mechanism at the back, and the front would be this one. So we simply slide in this to the 3 holes, line up the 3 holes and slide that in. Like so. And at the back, also line up the 3 holes, the prong, like so. In the packaging, you also get these 2 long screws. We can't directly place these 2 screws like that, so you have to go at an angle. Line up that, like so. Basically like twisting the nipples of a cat. Just twist like this to screw on. It's a lot of twisting. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, 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 twist. Now when it's almost fully tightened, you'll have to use a screwdriver. So this step, I wouldn't recommend using a drill because You know, it's not always about power all the time, or speed, because you don't want to damage and scratch this door handle. What I recommend, what I do is, I get a piece of cardboard and I just shield this away from the screwdriver. So this way, I'm not damaging or scratching the door handle. And there you have it. So you've got unlock and lock. Unlock, lock. That's locked, unlock. And you can see also the strike plate. It's actually currently lined up with the strike plate already. It's lined up perfectly, so there's actually no need to change this. We can see that the current strike plate, it's actually working perfectly. It's perfectly lined up, it's very smooth transaction. So there's absolutely no need to change out this strike plate. A lot of people think, oh, I got this new strike plate, I must change it out. If the current strike plate is working fine, I would not recommend changing it. Because imagine if we did it here, the existing strike plate is actually a lot bigger. If we swapped it out, there'll be big gaps to fill at the top and the bottom in the wood. We need wood filled and fill that, and that's a lot of work and it wouldn't look nice. So just because it's provided doesn't mean you have to use it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.